guys. Zodwa abantu. But she was known as Zodwa Bambizani, beautiful legs. Wangifikisa emshadweni wami. Uzodwa. You know when you get to high school, we junior, I was next. One of these senior chicks abakufikisa, then you know I think in high school. That was Zodwa for me. But how I found out about her is I had abafana bamikas, ngibemfulo, so and bamnamatex. So you need to understand the surveillance yami is way to a name. So yaziwa ukuthi ukhanyimba ujola nomunye baba bathumandla ubuye Jabulani, you know, and already people knew ubuye Jabulani, these are his friends. That's how it is at Lokshin, we want to know. We want to know who you are, who's your mom. We know all of that. Umandla lately akasabuye ekhaya uBlome the Rock all the time. Ayabafana bami bathi sisikhanisela ukubona emfule egarage ngase J. Sahlangana e J. They got into my car ngihamba nge-AMG at the time. But game sister man khona indaba evelile like asihamba phansi and ayikafiki kuwe siyazi ngoba use Melrose. Umandla ubhizi. Hey, and I'm like, God, Mandla ubhizi ngani? But
ngikhuthela hayi nangilobhuti uhamba nge-TT akahambi ngeLamborghini.
Mfana ubhizi umandla mfana ubhizi nengintombazana.
Sometimes uze ayi-1 athi nje breakfast.
Ngithi ubani le ntombazana bathi ayazini sisa collect data. We'll let you know. It's okay. I ningitsheleni if you need anything. Mara ngicela idatha. But it is kitchen pants. We'll let you know.
How? Mina wonke. Lo Scarface, utanda legs, fail pop nje, you know.
I'm young. I'm scared. I'm like, shit, what is this? You know? Kwenzakalani, you know?
Fonele Tuesday.
But I'm not going to tell my dad yet.
Dad.
3 weeks later, they come back to me, but ahlangane garage food.
Uyangazi ngubani ngithi angekwazi. Athi okay. Awumane ngikubone ukugezisisa.
Meet at about 6:30 in the morning. Bangibonise efonini imoto kaMandla imile erumini ngase The Rock. They show me 3 different pictures on 3 different dates.
Ngibele emotweni abengiphathele iperfume. Shuthi manje kufuneke nginuke nje ngokhensile mbawo. Our first encounter with him, siye eMelrose Arc. Endlini yakekhensile mbawo, penthouse. You know, mina ngizibonela nje amadlasi. Nje sangena penthouse. Ngibona amacici wakhe ngifuna nokwantshontsha ukuthi oh maybe I 30,000. Ngina ngathatha amawasa u2 yazi ngiright lifeini, you know. Angazi baby uyongthelela ijuzi but trust me ngicurious.
3 different times. Ngiyayibona imoto ngiyambona uMandla. Okay, and I remember these days at Gogeswa he came back like this. I remember.
Sihlalele ngumntwana nje nhlezi esofeni. Di apha nje di apha. Ndifuna ujongisisa, you know. You are even thinking of like, you know, awuthi le ngadlala ngami. Khona into engayithatha la ngim-blackmail, you know.
So but uyabona ke sister uthi ahlali ngawo. It no, but still that doesn't mean anything. Ubona bani la?
Then you know angesibukela TV. Ake ngisuke egarage lami nje elinuka ama chicken feet.
But kimi yamazi uThunder Legs. Uthi ubani Thunder Legs? But le ntombazane ehlala ikuseva mose The Rock.
So naye not that because ebengazi ukuthi njoba ngimseva I'm gonna be that same woman angakhala ngaye angamthathela indoda angathi like Jesus Christ nguBeyonce ngimhle kanje.
Ile ntombazane snacks le star. Ah man, what do you mean?
Imagine.
But no. No, mara ngizibambe ngibe ne-dignity. It's okay, fine.
Dignity nix endodeni. Indoda esilwanyana esingalapheki. Sidla wasana.
I need more proof. Bathola isithombe ngathi bame egate uzodwa saying goodbye to uMandla. Okay, ngizomela uMandla usually gets drunk. Ngithatha ifone yaMandla and check. Ayikamampela I go through Mandla's phone. Ngiyabona man, ngimamela ama voicemail. Mandla ngikukhumbulile. Yeah, and it's this chick kamampela. So I tell my sister, I'm like, hey dude, you know, there's someone in my marriage. And about Thomas, so but yeah, everyone was shocked. Umandla would go for something like that.
Yabona yena njoba thi ngimfake egaming, ngimfikise egaming, ngimfikise emshadweni wakhe. mina wangifikisa emalini.
I tell my sister says to me, uyanya loyo, siyamlanda, utshwala masim, siyamlanda, siya the rock. Ungambuzo mandla, ngithule. Can you imagine how difficult it is to see your husband every day? He sleeps next to you, he touches you, but you know. Usaya the rock. Ekuseni, asathi uyaphuma hayi samlanda, sambiza ngegama, asathi izodwa. Uzani? And I think mangibona she already knew. Sangena emotweni, ngahlala naye back seat.
One man ngene emotweni yenu niba u4.
My sister nomngane wami noMalanga were in the front driving. Ikuyeza ukukhuluma nawe athi sure. Uzothi uyangazi ukuthi ngobani mithi ya ukhanya imbawu ngiyakwazi ngeke ngakuseva mosla. Inti sure. Wenzani ndoda yami? Athi mina ngeke ngikhulume phambi kwalamantombazana. Ngithi hayi ke usemasimbeni ngoba indawo. Ay basho wakhimnyanga dini ngithi akuliwa no.
Bese nithi hayi anizungishaya. Ngabumshayela. Ngilamos, ngila. Lesingazwani mina nawe
ufuna ukwazini ngithi wenzani nomandla athi siswami man ngithi uyamazi mandla ngithi athi ya ngiyamazi umuntu wakho uBlomalani nayo nokuza la umngani kaDethi ngithi wenzani nomandla
vele umtshela uKhanyisile ukuthi siyalalana. It's been happening for 3 years. Akusungitshontshana si one night stand, you know. Siyalalana.
Yeah, siyabonana ngithi kanjani. No, I sleep with your man. It hits me. I'm like, damn, with all the fame, with all of me, I can't keep a man. So I'm analyze, I'm like, wow, as a man, you can be a Beyonce, but he will still cheat. You know what I'm saying? So, but she was nice. That's the funniest thing. So I give me aski sicho. But you're a woman and I won't lie to you. Nyapanda kad. Your man gives you stuff that I need. Gives me stuff that I need, excuse me. So, now I mean, he gives me money.
You know, your relationship, yase Joshua Dollar, ngithathela khona ifridge ye 10,000.
It manages out in teso 18 because I'm married to this guy. At can you ngizokutshela something ne? Mina ngimubi yangibona. Benomuhle. Indoda yakho and I'm competing now. But uyangisupporta lo muntu.
Cheda sekasi ngizihlalele egarage. Nami ngiwomi ngalezi zinto engizitholile. Bengafuna ezakho.
So ngithi ngicela ungenze lifiva simhle. Ene ngifuna ukuthi ngizomtshela ukhona and if uyaphika then uzokhuluma naye wena. So I call him on the phone 6:10. He picks up the phone.
Hello.
He says to me, "How kanta ukho la endlini?" Ngithi no. Ngithi man uyamazi uzodwa. Ubani uzodwa? No, that girl who always serves us at the Rock.
Umandla uthi, "Tu, it's because uzongiphika thini? Siyalwa behind the sla.
Manje ujola nozodwa. Hayi yazi ngikhanisa please sikuseni ne. Ngazongifisa into esona nawe. Uzongihlanyela. Ufunani? You know how it is. No. I give you everything. Ufunani? Remember what? Ufunani? Oh, ufuna qualified. Oh, poregile.
Abafazi bafila ukuthi indoda isuka ihlonipha umakhwapheni because indoda ungayithola nomakhwapheni.
Nika uzodwa phone. Athi hello Mandla.
Tu.
I drop your phone. Everyone laughs in the car.
Kufike wena umfazi ufuna ukulu indoda ibalekisa umakhwapheni wayo. Ihamba yombeka nje menze safe. So that's why bethi tu ngoba uyazi ukuthi izolo besonke.
Simfonele back. Angaphenduli. Sifone ngefoni yakathande kaphenduli ngithi Mandla mamela. Avela sikhuluma nawe. Uzodwa nangu la. Athi ya Mandla yangizwa. Mandla you sleeping uzodwa. Athi ya vele siyalala Mandla mtshela iqiniso once avelazi. No ngithola kabi nyangitrapper. Oh so nawe zodwa usifana nomfazi wami yazi when he's trying to get out of it. Oh so kahle bening frame. Oh okay all right ni happy ke ni happy at drop phone.
Yena wazibamba nje what le waiter ba lady Scarface
athi Zodwa, ish, I'm so sorry to do this to you. But now I am going to come back. Lo muntu nami ongikaya what I need. Into ayazi Zodwa ngiyabonga ne. Although you're messing up my life, but ngiyabonga ukuthi you came out honest and you were decent about the situation. Sambe ayingikhale backseat. Sekahambiye phela I can't show my weakness. Akhala backseat. Bangihleli indoda. Yo, man, I'm terrible. Right?